Your bike is part of your life. You want it beautiful, attractive and fast. You become the center of attention. The way you dress your motorcycle is the difference between repulsion and perfection. Super Fairings is specialized in motorcycle ABS and fiberglass fairings. We are a multicultural team working in China, with members from Portugal, Italy and Spain. The design, the lines, the colors, the appeal, all converge on the bike's bodywork. Do you know the difference between our fairings and other cheap Chinese bodywork? Most of aftermarket motorcycle fairings that you see online, on eBay or US-based websites are made by compression molding, and come from Chinese factories just like this. The fairing molds are made by hand with plaster. The ABS comes in sheets, and many times are a result of recycled broken parts. Then the sheet is preheated in an oven, and applied to the compression machine, where the plastic is pressured to the mold. The plastic thickness may be asymmetrical, if the mold is not cleaned correctly and the plastic is not pressured accurately. As we see in this example, all the holes are made manually. And because it's all about mancraft and not precise machines, many times in the same piece we can find two parts glued together, including some fitment supports. So we have already two problems. First, fitment is not guaranteed. Second, the unequal plastic thickness may influence the durability and consistency of the fairing. Super Fairings uses other method, plastic injection molding. First of all, we need to have steel mold plates for the bodywork. We use ABS high-flow grade resin from Taiwan, supplied in the form of small pellets. These pellets are loaded into a hopper and melted. Thermoplastic materials are liquefied and pushed into a closed die, where it hardens into the shape configured by the die cavity in the mold plates. All the process and thickness is controlled by the machine's software. All mounting points and holes are produced during the injection process, what guarantee accurate fitment and 98% match with original panels. Chinese factories are known by their mess, dirty environment, inexperienced workers and low prices. Check this perfect example. If your fairing is painted in an unclean place like this, you already can imagine how many dust inside of the bodywork paint. The painters do not use masks or gloves and the fairings dry outside. The quality of the paint is low and is not UV protected. They cut in the number of paint layers to save costs. You will see your fairing start changing or cracking the paint just after 3 or 4 months. Often, the design presents wrong lettering, not matching lines, and they are not painted inside. Super Fairings cares about the final result. We buy high-quality plastic paint, we provide proper work environment, the painters are required to use masks and gloves. We keep our work area clean, we have a heat chamber, and a drying paint machine. All orders and parts are organized, and your fairing is also tinted on the inside. Super Fairings not only cover all the parts with laminated foam, but also put extra foam protections into the triple wall package. In one side we have the Chinese manufacturers or eBay sellers. Their knowledge about bikes is lacking, but their concern about profit is high. They can speak English until the day you have a complaint. Then you try to contact them or fix a problem and nothing. In the other side you have your local dealers. They are from US, Europe, they know and understand motorcycle, but they never been in China or understand how Chinese manufacture their fairings. They wrong advertise their ABS as Japanese, and they can't control the quality as we do. Annually we attend some motorcycle exhibitions and keep regular communication with our customers. If your fairing arrived broken, the paint is cracked or the fitment is not good, Super Fairings export their bodywork and products worldwide. We built a large customers network that give us an important credibility and a know-how in this business. We have a real location in China, not only an office but 2 factories, one of ABS fairings and other of fiberglass bodywork.